1222. Continue announcements, still no response. And then we've only heard handgun rounds since we've been 97, no rifle.
Copy, handgun rounds only. A parent here, there's a 6-year-old alone at 12834. That's going to be 2 houses south of the incident location. Juvenile alone 12834, 12834.
Okay, control 1221. We have some SED guys that are suiting up. They're aware of 12824 and 12834, and they'll be evacuating in just a minute.
I copy. There's also going to be grandparents at that location as well.
Sam 5.
1 Sam.
Extra cars start towards Ladera and Browning and see if they can start safely evacuating houses to the south.
Ladera and Browning houses to the south. They are en route. Can I request them code 3?
Sam 40 King. Go ahead.
We're looking pretty good on the east side of the residence. We've got no units on Reed on the west side, just for containment.
Did you say we need more cars on Reed?
You did, and I have 1 Paul 23 on Reed if we can start a second unit. Another second unit, 1 Street West on Reed, advice.
7 David 6, show me 97 Reed. I'm in a black Chevy Silverado.
Black Chevy Silverado.
1221.
1221.
12824 and 12834 have been evacuated.
24 and 34 evacuated.
175.
175.
Once we have safely evacuated some houses to the north and south and to the west, let's have our cars de-escalate at least one property away. Let's get away now and let SWAT do their thing.
I copy.
Sam, just for info, we got instructions from some of the guys to stand by. Holding certain cover for them.
175, after we safely move these, evacuate these houses, let's have our guys de-escalate back 1 or 2 properties and motorcycles are for SWAT. Motorcycles starting in the garage.
Motorcycle starting in the garage. Prepare to go mobile.
Lethal out. Settling back up here. Hey guys, we don't want him leaving that garage. We should have 1 less lethal ready to go. 7722, 97 Ladera and Brown.
Darren Browning.
We're at 23. If we have a unit with spikes, can we get it up here near the house where we're at?
Spikes.
175.
175. 175 only, go.
Just want an update that our houses are evacuated. I understand about the motorcycle, but are deputies safe enough far away from the suspect location?
1221.
Hey, Sarge, we're good right now. We're set up. We have SED out with us. Houses around are evacuated. Copy. Once SED secures you, then relieves you, then fall back a little. Hey guys, SED's here. We're going to start backing out. We need to start backing all the central units out now.
Then hold perimeter. 175 information only. This sister is 97 with Redlands PD and code 4. Do you have questions for her?
12 Paul 22. Does anybody have spike strips in their unit? Everybody look.
7722. I have them. Where do you need me? 023. If you could come up to this patrol unit on the 1-4 corner.
spikes at Pico and Mirado.
Unit with spikes at Pico and Mirado.
023, if somebody has spikes they can bring them to the house. I just want to put them up right in front of here. Below me units on Pico and Mirado shoot out spikes.
40 King, 1221. Can you raise your orbit up a little bit? We're going to try to see if we can hear that motorcycle.
First responding SED Sierra unit. Go ahead and get in contact with me and we'll get you set up when you get here.
61 Lincoln, is there an official request for SED yet?
Lincoln, that's affirmed. 175 requested OTA with me.
Copy. Have that watch commander give me a 21 as soon as possible. I have no info, and the full SWAT team has not been deployed as of yet.
175, please contact 61 Lincoln. 175, 61 Lincoln.
William, we're on scene. Show William units on scene.
William units, change your location by MDC 33, priority traffic only.
14 William 2, can you show us on scene, please?
Copy your 97, MDC only.
1 call 22, do we have med state?
Yes.
Taylor, will you come in the hallway code for us?
M5.
175.
To confirm, our cars are away from that property now.
One myself and 122 are in the backyard, one house north of.
One house north of.
1222, we're clearing 22361. Residents is leaving of Tangier.
22361.
Unit with Allen, 1 Lincoln. Yes, sir. Go to Tech 1.
Getting 1 David for warrants.
Go ahead, 1 Lincoln. Port attack.
But Mike. Units open mic.
Paul. 5. Good. 175.
175.
Hey, there are sufficient units around our perimeter. Any responding cars stay on the outer perimeter. Do not go into the inner perimeter.
All responding units stay out of the inner perimeter. All stay out of the perimeter. You need to evac south of Ladera. 5, you now have all your UKIPA units, 97, and you have Highland units. Re-advise the evacuation locations. All south of Ladera.
Guess they keep sticking their heads out. Get them across the street directly in front of the one side.
Copy.
Committee for sure, you're going to want the armor just to roll straight up to the one side location where you guys are.
173, alright. You got one coming out.
Rick is out, he's wearing body armor, and he's got a gun to his head.
Body armor and gun to head.
Can you raise it? We're giving command.
Reporting King.
King, raise your orbit. I'm trying to communicate with him. I can't hear. 1221. Can't tell if he's communicating with us or he's just chanting. He has a gun in his right hand. We cannot tell if he's got a cell phone in his left hand.
Communicating gun in the right hand.
40. We don't want to let him go back in the house.
We're good. Let him head back in if he wants to.
Okay, he's back in the house.
He had another gun on his right hip. One on the hip, one in his right hand.
Yeah, it looks like he had a Glock on his hip and a small caliber black handgun in his hand.
Just stay cognizant of your positioning since he knows where we're at now if he fires indiscriminately through the walls. To the units on the ground, the Sheriff Air Rescue. You got media roll 197. 6174, I copy.
Media 97.
Just confirming the house is behind the incident location on Reed where you evacuated.
1 Paul 23, can you confirm?
Confirm they're evacuated. 175.
175.
Hey, Paul, how many deputies do you have?
I'm stuck behind a van with 2 SED units, but I have, it looks like 4 units to my south that can actually start evacuating houses. He's out again, hold on. Subject is back out, now he has 2 guns, 1 in each hand, both pointed at his head.
Copy. 175. Control, have any excess deputies move out of the area back to the command post.
Any extra deputies move to your command post. Move to the command post.
16, can you raise your orbit again? We're still trying to communicate with him. Bearcat 37.
40 King, we're set. You get a little.
40 King, you gotta raise your hover. We're getting too much rotor down here.
Officer Diaz, 61020. I'm set up on the residence to the west, 1 block, confirming that the residence we're looking at has a white truck parked up on the 1-2 corner in the street.
Okay, subject is back in the house.
Back in the house.
Okay, units, the target residence is going to be a single-story, shots fired.
Yeah, 1 single shot, 1 single shot.
Shot fired.
The house, it was not at deputies. Came from inside the house.
Shots fired inside, not at deputies.
Hey, that shot sounded like it came right from the threshold of the front door. The other shots prior to have always been to the back of the house.
61020, how do you copy?
I copy you, sir. Go ahead.
I am set up as a Sierra unit directly behind the residence. I have a portion of the 3 side. There's a large hedge in the back that obstructs most of the 3. I have a window and a partial window off of the 2-3 corner. All other view is obstructed. I'm trying to ascertain further.
I copy you, sir.
Reggie, do you have a reporter over there? Do you have media there?
Confirmed, there's 1 media here.
Hey, tell him, even though the tape's not up, that we have a crime scene here, so he has to move back to Reed and Pico. Reed and Pico.
Yeah, moving to Reed and Pico.
Any deputies on the scene not doing anything, send 1 over to Reedy.
East to Reedy. 4 William units, if you don't have an assignment, move to Reedy. 4 William units, move to Reedy. Reedy and Ladera, and Reedy and Pico.
4 William 2, copy.
4 William 3. Make contact with 1 call 23 on Reed.
10-4.
You got additional shots fired from the suspect through the 4 side.
Shots fired, 4 side.
I'm sorry, that was coming towards our Bearcat.
towards the Bearcat. One shot fired.
1 Lincoln, just info. If he continues to shoot, SED will be deploying emergency gas, so prepare your perimeter units.
I copy 61 Lincoln.
Copy that, we have non-lethal on one side.
Unit, you're 20 for non-lethal.
Control 61 Zebra 20. Shots fired while radio was being used.
61 Zebra 20, shots fired while radio used, confirming code 4.
It's definitely inside the residence, more toward the 3 side.
More towards the 3 side.
More additional shots, still no visual.
No visual shots.
23, be advised, they're coming our direction on the one side.
On the 1 side.
61 Lincoln, do responding SED units. As you arrive on scene, please relieve patrol perimeter on the backside so we have control of the scene.
23, are you still to the rear?
15X1 and 122 are backyard.
I saw 2 units, 1 house north of in the backyard.
Pick again of the subject.
Copy, sending now.
61 Lincoln.
Over 61 Lincoln.
Information only, we just got a call from a very close family friend en route from Riverside, well 87 at Pico and Darwin for contact with your units. She believes she can calm the suspect.
61 Sam 3, motorcycle just started up in the garage.
Motorcycle started. Garage door opening.
Subject now has a mask on.
Hey sir, just be advised, 61044 still has the gun to his head. They're communicating with him now.
Female's advising she's a very close family friend, like a second mom. She's at Pico and Darwin, wants to try and communicate with him.
61 Lincoln, copy. Have her stand by there. We'll have negotiators get with her as soon as they're on scene.
Wait.
First name is Michael. Michael.
William 3, I'm on contact with the female. We're going to try to get some more info as far as military background. Pretty good.
Oh, William 3, I copy.
For the log, 240 millimeter non-impact or non-lethal were deployed.
240 non-lethal deployed. We advised his history is going to be logistics with 1st Special Forces Group, logistics with 1st Special Forces.
Stand by, base.
Free out, I'll meet up with you. 40 King.
40 King.
It's a television helicopter on scene, but he's been advised about the logistics.
61 Lincoln, did you copy that?
Traffic for 61 Lincoln.
Media helicopter 97 was advised on logistics by 40 King.
61 Lincoln, copy. Hey, Christy, we can go ahead and move the patrol back a little bit too.
61 Lincoln, I had 1 Paul 22 and 15 X-ray 1 in the backyard, 1 house north of the location. Have they been moved back?
We have the keys to that house also.
Yes, keys.
15X.
15X.
We haven't been relieved. We're still on the 314.
Hey, turn your light off.
I copy. 2-1 Zebra units, if you can relieve my patrol unit 1 house north of the location backyard.
Unit with Diaz, how are you looking on the 3 side for containment?
Smith, Diaz. At the south side contained. However, there's large hedges in the back. They're probably about 25 to 30 feet high. They are obscuring most of the view of the back. The only view I have is off the 2-3 corner. I have the 2 windows. I have a patrol unit with a long rifle set up to a house south of me that has the slider in the middle of the 3 side. Anything past that towards the 3-4 corner is completely obstructed from the hedges. There's no higher ground to get.
2-3, they go 97. Let's go to the 3 side. Relieve that patrol position and get a good containment on the 3.
Fire, shots fired, SED unit, shots fired.
Shots fired.
2-1 Lincoln, copy, shots fired.
2-1 Lincoln.
Control 1221.
1221.
Okay, if we can get the medical ship, see if they can find an LZ to land, and then we can start getting medical to stage out on Pico.
Copy, meds to stage on Pico landing airship.
7 copies on the primary. We're looking for the LZ.
You have Pico Park nearby. I'm going to get meds to Pico and Oreo. Pico and Oreo.
Copy that.
1 standby. Do we have shots fired?
Yes.
23, shots fired. The suspect appears to be down. We're trying to establish that now. Give a verbal command.
A suspect down, verbal command.
Confirm none of our units are hurt.
All of our units are code 4.
Sheriff units, code 4.
23, let us have the air, please. Instant location. If units pinpoint our location. Air Rescue 7, we're on here and south of Maine. There's a park right in this area that we're going to land at.
1221, copy. Negative, have them hold.
A1, Sam 3, just have them hold. We're attempting to establish contact.
Sam 4, can we clear the air for SED, please?
Air clear for SED units only. Air clear for SED.
Where we have contact with suspect, provide your first aid.
Copy.
You know when you want fire to roll in, they're stationed at Pico and Madero.
Fire there.
Let me know if you need medical.
Yeah, we're clearing the residence now. Hold the air.
No.
One sign in there.
61 Sam 4, we're clear for fire to roll in.
Clear for fire to roll in.
Fire's coming in.
Air entering.